Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to hide and unhide any apps or folders in Windows 11. Let's try on CapCut. Click right click on CapCut, show more options, properties, go to the tab General and press hidden. Apply, OK. And now CapCut is hidden. If you want to get it back unhide, you go to the search bar, type in settings, press enter. And now you go to system, for developers, and now you go to File Explorer. And here you have the Show Hidden and System Files. Turn on, and now get back to the desktop, and here you can see the CapCut icon. Now you can again right click, show more options, properties, go to the tab General again, and unselect Hidden. Apply, OK. Now you have everything as it was before. If you want to hide all icons on your desktop at the same time, you just right click, View, and press here, Uncheck. Now you have a clean desktop. Thank you for watching and see you next time.